3 ways to join Indian Air Force after graduation. First entry is CDS entry. CDS stands for Combined Defense Services. In this exam, candidates give this exam to join major academies like Air Force Academy, Indian Military Academy, Officer Training Academy and Indian Naval Academy. In this entry, every person has his own respective cutoff. Out of all the cutoffs, the cutoff of the first man is the highest. Candidates who give first preference to Air Force Academy at the time of form filling and have cleared the Air Force cutoff receive the call letter of sub. Then the candidates appear for the upper exam in RFS. The candidates recommended in RFS appear for the upper exam in medical and then they are released. Candidates who are finally merited in All India Merit join Air Force Academy Dandigal. Next entry, AFCAT entry. To apply for this entry, candidates have to complete their graduation from a recognized university with minimum 60%. Training of candidates takes place at Air Force Academy, Dandigal. Before being commissioned as a flying officer, the training of flying branch is for 74 weeks and the training of non-TC ground duty candidates is for 52 weeks. The vacancy of hanging branch is for short service commission. Whereas for ground duty, both permanent and short service types of vacancies are released. Free third entry NCC Special Entry AIR NCCC certificate is for those candidates who have bail certificates. Aspirants can join the flying branch of the Air Force. For this entry, aspirants must have passed their graduation from a recognized university with minimum 60% marks. Also, they must have passed 10+2 with minimum 50% in maths and physics. For this entry, the applicant should be in the next age limit 20 to 24 years and if the candidate has a commercial pilot license, then in that case the candidate will be given 2 years of further relaxation. Now you who have filled the retirement completely, sub-collar issue will be issued. After clearing the sub-medical and merit, candidates can join the Air Force. All mentioned entries are subject to medical fitness and all India seats, i.e. even after clearing written and SSP, your selection depends on medicals and merit. Finally qualify the merit list, receive the joining letter from the Air Force.